What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyra and I am back again with another video. So today in this video, I will be doing an unboxing of the Beauty Forever 5x5 HD closure body wave unit. Yeah, that's it. And I got this in the color 1B. And here's the packaging right here. Y'all can't see my address. Okay. I've been waiting on this for about 2-3 weeks now. Let's get into it. Come in a silky bag. Anyway, y'all, I got my friend sitting behind my phone and she making all the faces in the world for no reason. Anyway, so this is what the bag looks like. And I think I got this wig in 22 or 24 or 26 inches, one of those three. I can't really remember. Okay, so when I open the bag, it comes with this little headband. Okay. I got me a wig cap. I don't think it's my scalp color, but just put a little foundation on it. Okay. And then the good stuff, the units. Let me back up so y'all can see. Okay. I think it's 22 inch. Anyway, so we're gonna open it. Got a little hair net on it. The cushion on the inside. This is my first time ordering from Beauty Forever, because I've heard a lot of stuff about them, like some good reviews and stuff. I've been looking on YouTube, all that, so this is what I came up with, the body wave. It's soft. Oh, I forgot to mention that it's 200% density, so very thick. Cause she thick. This is the. I think this unit is pre-plucked already. This is the. Yeah, this part, and then they got the back part, and this unit comes with 3 combs and an adjustable thing. This do a smell test. Smell like somebody old grandma house. It ain't bad though. I can manage. But yeah, y'all. This is the hair. Let's see. We'll see when my cousin installed it for me. I think the knots need to be, well, do they need to be bleached? Yeah, they're a little black. She may have to bleach the knots for me. I can't do it because I don't know what I'm doing yet. But yeah. I ordered this wig because I'm taking senior pictures. Well, not senior pictures, but graduation pictures. I'll be graduating in May. Alumni status coming soon. But yeah, this is the unit, y'all. If you want to order this unit, I will link everything down in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want to get a video on this right here, I use some hair extensions from the hair supply store, but I'll link that down in my description box as well. I just got to pull it back right now. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.